This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Welcome to 6818 Treves Way, Boynton Beach, Florida, located in the highly sought-after 55-plus community of Cascades. New roof just installed. This exquisite Glencrest model home is nestled in the prestigious estate section of Cascades, offering an unparalleled living experience reminiscent of a five-star resort. Step inside this stunning residence boasting 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, adorned with high ceilings that create an atmosphere of spaciousness and elegance. The large formal dining room and living room provide the perfect setting for entertaining guests and hosting memorable gatherings. Prepare to be enchanted by the chef's dream kitchen, featuring abundant storage, 42 inches cabinets, and a generous pantry. The refrigerator was updated just 2 years ago, and the white cabinetry beautifully complements the white Corian countertops. Adjacent to the kitchen, the family room offers a seamless flow for dining and relaxation, while sliders open up to a spacious enclosed patio where you can extend your living space and bask in the serene garden views while sipping your morning coffee. The main bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring his and hers closets, ample space, and large windows that bathe the room in natural light. The main bathroom is a luxurious retreat with his and her sinks, a shower, and a tub, allowing you to unwind and rejuvenate after a long day. In this Glencrest model, the den was converted into a true bedroom complete with a closet, perfect for accommodating guests or using as an office space. The second bathroom features a bathtub with an updated glass door, adding a touch of sophistication. This meticulously maintained home comes with several updates, including a new air conditioner unit installed in 2018, a garage door that is just 3 years old, and accordion hurricane shutters throughout the property, providing easy and efficient protection. Cascades is renowned for its exceptional amenities, and residents are privileged to enjoy a remodeled club, captivating shows, a refreshing pool, a well-equipped fitness center, and tennis courts, among other offerings. The on-site CAF offers delightful breakfast and lunch options, further enhancing the convenience and enjoyment of the community. As a non-equity community adjacent to the esteemed Westchester Golf Course, Cascades offers an exclusive living experience that rivals that of a 5-star resort. Recently, the clubhouse underwent an extensive renovation, elevating the community's allure. The comprehensive maintenance package includes exterior painting, roof cleaning, basic cable services, and high-speed internet, ensuring a hassle-free lifestyle for residents. Don't miss the opportunity to own this exceptional Glencrest model home in the desirable Cascades community. Experience the epitome of luxurious 55-plus living in Boynton Beach.